Ever wondered how to craft authentic Japanese sashimi at home? Imagine captivating your senses with the delicate balance of flavors, the soft texture, and the vibrant colors of this traditional dish. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Japanese cuisine, specifically exploring the art of making sashimi. First, it all begins with the selection of the fish. Only the freshest, highest quality fish will do. Tuna, salmon, sea bream, or mackerel are popular choices. Make sure to source your fish from reputable suppliers, ensuring it's safe for raw consumption. Next, the art of slicing. This is where the magic happens. Japanese chefs use a special knife called a yanagiba. However, any sharp knife will do. The key is to slice the fish in one smooth, confident motion to preserve the flesh's integrity. Typically, the slices are about 1/8 of an inch thick, but feel free to adjust to your preference. Now, onto the presentation. In Japan, aesthetics are as important as taste. Arrange the slices artistically on a chilled plate, typically in a single layer. Some might garnish with daikon radish, shiso leaves, or edible flowers, but simplicity is the essence of sashimi. Finally, the serving. Sashimi pairs beautifully with soy sauce for dipping and a small amount of wasabi for that extra kick. Some enjoy it with a side of pickled ginger to cleanse the palate between different types of fish. So there you have it. The process of making sashimi at home is a journey of discovery, appreciating the quality of the ingredients, the skill in preparation, and the elegance in presentation. To summarize, start with the freshest, highest quality fish. Slice it thinly with a sharp knife. Arrange the slices aesthetically on a chilled plate. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Remember, the beauty of sashimi lies in its simplicity. It's a dish that truly allows the ingredients to shine. So the next time you're craving a taste of Japan, why not step into your kitchen and create a culinary masterpiece? Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and immerse yourself in the art of Japanese cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, making sashimi at home can be a rewarding experience. So don't be intimidated. Embrace the challenge and you might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope it inspires you to explore more of the beautiful, intricate world of Japanese cuisine. Until next time, happy cooking!